Hi, Alyssa.
Hi.
My name's Autumn Holiday. I'll be your student physical therapist assistant. And today we're just going to be teaching you how to properly use your wheelchair. Does that sound okay?
Yes.
So first we're going to just propel you forward, and all you do is roll your wheels and make sure that your hands are staying even with each other in a straight line. Could you try that? Good. And now we're gonna try and go backwards, doing the same thing, keeping your arms even. Start off slowly. Good. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you how to do a 360. For this one, you're just gonna keep your hand stable on the left one, not moving it. And the other one, I want you to just roll the wheel while keeping the other one still.
Okay.
Good. Yes, just like that. Okay, for this one, we're going to propel forward and turn around a cone down the hallway. For this, we're going to do the same normal steps that we did for the first one, propelling ourselves forward, keeping our arms even. And then when you get to the box, you're going to use both hands, but just use the left one a little bit slower when you're turning. And that'll help you turn around the box. Good. Okay, now we're going to move the wheelchair sideways down this hallway. And what I'm going to have you do is bring one arm forward first. So if you're going left, we're going to bring the right arm up first, then your left arm. Then you're going to bring your right arm back, and then your left arm back. And this will just be a repetitive motion like this, bringing the wheels back and forth. All right, you want to try it? 1, 2, and back with your right, back with your left. Forward with your right, forward with your left, back with your right, back with your left. Good, and we're going to repeat that motion until we get all the way down the hallway. Now we're going to do a wheelchair push-up. I'm going to have you place your arms firmly on your side rests. And then you're going to use your arms to push your body up. And we're going to hold it for 15 seconds. Okay, you can go ahead and try it. And we'd have them do this to relieve pressure. All right, now we're going to teach a patient how to get out of a fallen position.
So now, with your left hand, reach across the wheelchair and grab this part, the middle part. Okay. And now with your right hand, put your elbow and arm on the ground. Okay, get it as close as you can to your body to help yourself get up.
And then she's going to try and push up with her arm while leaning her body forward. Good. Good. And this could be made easier for some patients if they have a custom wheelchair that has a lower back.
Or someone who has like longer hands.
And you could just work with your patient with strengthening to help them overcome. Now we're going to teach the patient to ascend and descend up a ramp. So first, we're going to have you get a good start, have a little bit of momentum going. And when we get on the ramp, you're going to push both arms up even, keeping the arms even, and then catching your wheel behind you. Pushing up and then grabbing the wheel. Push up and then grab the back of the wheel. And then we're going to do that until we get to the top of the stairs, and I'll be right behind you the whole time. Good. Lean forward. Good. instruct the patient to lean forward the whole time going up the ramp. Good. Lean forward just a little bit. All right, and then one more push towards the end of the railing. All right, now we're gonna do that kind of like the 360 that we learned earlier to get you facing the ramp. All right, you can go ahead. Spin your wheels. Rolling that wheel back, good. Right, I'll bring the left forward just a little bit. Right, I'll bring the right back. Good, bring the left forward a little bit. All right, now we're going to descend. And make sure you keep your arms even and keep it really controlled by not letting those wheels just go really quick. Okay. Make sure they keep them slow. All right? And you would make sure to stay behind your patient throughout this whole activity, just to make sure that they're staying safe. And if they need any assistance, you're right there to help them. Yeah, good job. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to open a door and propel through. So all you're going to do is grab the door with your right hand, swing it open, and then let your wheel rest on the door, and then you're going to slowly just move your way through the door. Just keeping those arms even, pushing the wheels. Swing the door. Good.